kitchen once again, where I will be preparing pig foot, chicken foot dish with broad bean or butter bean. Now what we have here, I will be using garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic as well, bit of black pepper and chicken stock powder. I will be cooking dumpling, yam, potato also to go with the dish. But first of all, let's start with the pig foot. Here we have our chicken foot, pig foot, nicely washed and clean already. And then you have your onion, pepper, and fresh thyme, which I planted in my garden. Also, you have garlic powder, or you can use a fresh garlic if you got fresh garlic, black pepper, and chicken stock powder, which I will be using for preparing this meal. Also, butter bean, or you call it broad bean. Hold on for a second and be with you again. There you go, in the pressure cooker, ready to go on the fire, where I've put all my seasoning in it. Powder season, which is a chicken stock, as I said before. Also the garlic powder, black pepper, onion, fresh scotch bonnet pepper, and also my fresh thyme. Here you have your plain flour, coarse cornmeal, and salt. Mix it all in together to make your dumpling. Mix it all up together. Make sure it's all mixed in well. And there you have your Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. So I've finished making the dough now. So I will move on now to boiling the water. Make sure that your water is boiled before you put the dumpling in the pot. Dumpling cooking. So dumpling cooking for about 20 minutes now. Give it about 10 more minutes. Now I've got the potato, Irish potato, and yam in the pot. Pot full to the can, full no more. So that's the finishing of the boiled dumpling, Jamaican cornmeal boiled dumpling. And you have the potato and yam here, finished. And if you see here, you have the chicken foot and pig foot stew. I like it when it comes off the bone because it just melts right into your mouth. Delicious with butter bean. So the sauce is lovely and rich. That's exactly what you're looking for. Tastes really good. Yum yum. So that's the finishing. Hey, look at that. Lovely rich chicken foot, pig foot stew with butter bean, yam, Irish potato, and dumpling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your families and friends.